Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my dearest students. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. How's life? I hope that you all are fine. Oh, yeah. I just want to ask you one thing. Have you already watched my first video? I hope that you have already watched my first video. It is because when you try to have the next assignment for creating a comic, it means that you need to watch the first video, and then after that, now I would like to give you how to download the application and install it into your laptop. Okay, now I would like to tell you how to download it, and then after that, how to install. The first one, you can click the browser and then type plusky.com. Enter. You can find this kind of application. Feature, there are so many features here. Apps, education, support, meanwhile, users. After you find the apps, you can click apps and then scroll down the cursor until the download one. You can click with your mouse. And then you can scroll down, find the application for Mac, not for Windows. If you have already clicked, automatically it means you can download and you can find the application going to your laptop. Actually, I have already downloaded. I put it here. When you finish download your application, you can find this kind of icon like this. This is the icon. Install CL3. Okay. Now I just want you to install from this kind of application. You can click or double click the application like this and then extract. You can find the file extract and preparing to install. Okay. Because I have already installed the application, so you can just you need to follow the instruction only. After that, you will find the shortcut like this. Of course, the shortcut will be found on your desktop. This one. When you are the first time clicking the shortcut or the icon of Calculator 3, you will ask this kind of question. The copy of comic like this unregistered. Would you like to register now? Because you need to apply your conversation on the comic for maybe not for the regular one. I think you don't have to register the application. You just click not yet.